Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Infinity of Nashville, we have something extremely rare and extremely special. You probably already know from the title of this video. This is a 2011 Infiniti G37S manual. So there's none of these in the country because we're looking up comps and everything to try to put a value on this thing. This is a one owner clean fax car with 67,000 miles. So yeah, this thing is absolutely gorgeous. Hasn't been fully detailed yet, but this is something that I don't think you'll ever find again. .7 liter V6. I've driven so many automatics that when I got into this to start it, I just put my foot on the brake, hit the button, and it's saying clutch. I'm like, what do you mean clutch? That's got some kind of weird transmission error. I didn't know this was a manual when I got in it. And I looked down, I'm like, no. They're that rare. I mean, when I told everybody in service that we got one, they all were like, no way. So obviously rear wheel drive is the only way to get the manual. One owner, no accidents. This is something extremely special, and it adds a whole new level to the G37. Because yeah, the automatics are tons of fun to drive, but the manual, yeah, that's pretty darn cool, especially in the sedan. They made tons of coupes in manuals. They did not make a lot of sedans. I will say the pedals are perfect for heel toe. Don't get me wrong, it's nice to have a manual gearbox. This is not, you can obviously, this isn't bone stock. You can get a short throw shifter. I think that would really change my opinion on shifter feel. But honestly, I'm just so glad to, so happy to drive this thing that I'm not like, all right, yeah, need to do this, need to do that, need to change this. This thing is sweet. This is absolutely awesome. Thing so it adds such a different level to it, and at first driving around I'm like, yeah, this isn't very good. The thing with G37s, anything with this 3.7 liter in it, it's all up top. So if you just drive this like a grandpa, you're gonna be like, this kind of sucks. But if you start really driving it, once you get it above 3,500, 4,000, this whole car wakes up. It is a completely different car. I love this thing. I absolutely love this thing. It's so funny because when I was putting a value on this car, I talked to the GM, the general sales manager at the store. We all were like, good luck. Like, good luck putting a number on this thing, because they don't exist, especially in good condition with clean Carfaxes, not modified. These don't exist. So I ended up using Cars and Bids to pull up auction results for these, to kind of put a number on it. And I never thought I would have to turn to Cars and Bids to be the only one to have a sale result on one of these. And that's the other thing. Bring a Trailer, Cars and Bids, between them, there were 2. So don't tell me these exist, because they ain't for sale. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.